Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some major Apple news to discuss. The highly anticipated launch of the M4 MacBook Air. Apple has practically confirmed that we are getting the M4 MacBook Air this week, and it's set to shake up the market with new performance upgrades, design tweaks, and more. Apple teases the M4 MacBook Air launch. Apple CEO Tim Cook recently posted a cryptic teaser stating, "There's something in the air." If you've followed Apple long enough, you'd know that this is a clear reference to the MacBook Air. He also mentioned that something exciting is coming this week. This all but confirms that Apple will announce the M4 MacBook Air via a press release. Unlike major iPhone launches, this MacBook Air refresh won't have a full-fledged Apple event. That's because the upgrades are expected to be mostly iterative rather than revolutionary. Apple seems to be spacing out its product releases this year. 2 weeks ago, we saw the iPhone 16e announcement, and now we're getting the M4 MacBook Air. Following this pattern, the upcoming iPad Pro and iPad Air refreshes could be revealed in another 2 weeks. M4 MacBook Air benchmarks and performance. For those eager to see how the M4 chip stacks up, leaked Geekbench results for the M4 MacBook Air reveal some interesting findings. The benchmark listing, recorded on February 23rd, showcases a machine with a 10-core GPU and 24 GB of RAM, running a special build of macOS Sequoia 15.2. The benchmark results indicate that the M4 MacBook Air delivers performance nearly identical to the M4 iPad Pro. The Geekbench Metal score came in at 55,516, which is an improvement over the M3 MacBook Air, which scored around 48,000 to 49,000. However, it falls short compared to the M4 MacBook Pro, primarily because the Pro model includes a fan, allowing for better sustained performance under heavy workloads. While this isn't a groundbreaking performance leap, it's still an upgrade that ensures a faster and more efficient MacBook Air for everyday users. Expected features and upgrades. While the M4 MacBook Air will primarily be a chipset refresh, there are several expected enhancements. Center Stage camera. Apple may finally introduce Center Stage on the MacBook Air, allowing the front-facing camera to track your movement during video calls. This feature has been available on iPads for a while, and could be a welcome addition for those who frequently use FaceTime or Zoom. Nano texture display option. The base iMac already offers a nano texture glass option, so there's a chance the MacBook Air could get a similar display upgrade for reduced glare and improved visibility. New color options. The MacBook Air lineup has remained visually unchanged for 2 generations. This refresh could bring vibrant new color options, making the Air stand out more from its MacBook Pro counterpart. 16 GB RAM is standard. Just like the M3 MacBook Pro, the M4 MacBook Air is expected to start with 16 GB of RAM as the base configuration, making it more future-proof. Additionally, once the M4 MacBook Air launches, we might see a price drop for the M3 MacBook Air, potentially bringing it down to $999. However, there are rumors that Apple has a low inventory of M3 models, which could impact availability. Other upcoming Mac releases. Aside from the MacBook Air, Apple has several other Mac updates in the pipeline. Here's what we know. Mac Studio. Originally, the M4 Mac Studio was expected to launch alongside the MacBook Air, but recent reports suggest it has been pushed back to June, likely making its debut at WWDC 2025. This timing makes sense, as WWDC is where Apple traditionally unveils its high-end creative and professional Mac devices. While the design is expected to remain unchanged, it would be great to see new color options like Space Black, similar to the MacBook Pro. One minor but useful improvement could be relocating the SD card reader to the front, much like the Mac Mini. Mac Pro and the missing M4 Extreme chip. Apple's Mac Pro has faced setbacks due to difficulties in manufacturing an Extreme chipset. Initially, leaks suggested that Apple planned to develop an M2 Extreme, essentially combining 2 M2 Ultra chips for unprecedented power. However, Apple abandoned those plans due to engineering constraints. Now, the same issue seems to be affecting the M4 Extreme. According to reports, Apple has shifted its focus toward developing AI-focused server chips instead of high-end Mac chips. This is likely part of its broader AI strategy as the company integrates Apple Intelligence into its ecosystem. However, some analysts speculate that Apple may still launch an M4 Extreme later in the year, as chip development begins years in advance. If that happens, it could finally provide a much-needed performance boost to the Mac Pro, differentiating it from the more affordable Mac Studio. The MacBook Air needs a better resolution display. While some users want an upgrade, the current resolution is adequate for most. However, OLED or Mini LED technology could be introduced in future MacBook Air models. No fan? That's a deal breaker. The MacBook Air has been fanless for years, and for most users, it's not an issue. Unless you're running heavy workloads for extended periods, the M4 chip will handle tasks efficiently without overheating. Will the M4 MacBook Air be available in early March? Yes, according to leaks, Apple will announce it this week. Apple should add promotion 120Hz refresh rate to the MacBook Air. Many users want this, but Apple typically reserves high refresh rate displays for the MacBook Pro. A promotion upgrade may happen in a future redesign. Will there be an M4 Pro version of the MacBook Air? Highly unlikely. The MacBook Air is designed as a consumer-friendly device, and adding an M4 Pro chip would blur the line between the Air and Pro models. Final thoughts. The M4 MacBook Air may not be a revolutionary upgrade, but it's shaping up to be a solid refresh with improved performance, new features, and potentially exciting color options. As Apple continues to refine its Mac lineup, we can expect further innovations in future releases, particularly in areas like AI integration and display technology. Are you excited about the M4 MacBook Air? What features do you wish Apple would add? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Right here on Techno Trend Zone.